I got melanin. Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is a DIY Diva ring light. Yes, I made my own Diva ring light, and you can too. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell to turn on your notifications. You coming over here with me? Do you like my Diva ring light? So here is my light. And I made my own stand, so watch the rest of the video and you will be able to make yours too. Look at this light. Look at this light. Boom, bam, boom. So you're going to need your 16-inch rope light in daylight, your wire reef that you can get from Walmart, some zip ties, aluminum foil, and some scissors. So with your aluminum foil, you're just going to put that all around your wire reef, and the aluminum foil will help with the reflection of the light. So just continue to put that all around the entire reef. And this is what it looked like the first time I made my Diva light. This is just for cuteness. My baby. You see yourself. Gorgeous. That's you. You're in the way. And this right here is just my second time making the Diva light after the first light weren't working. So I found that it was easier to put the light around the reef and to start my circle off. As you can see, I'm using my leg and my feet. It was super easier this way. So now that I have my circle, I'm just going to use my zip tie to tie that so I can continue making my circle. So now that I have my circle completed, I'm just using my zip ties to put the lights to my reef. This was a project, I tell you. This was a project. And when you're cutting the zip ties, make sure that you do not cut yourself. Be careful because those things will hurt. I cut myself a few times. But this is my light. I am proud of myself. And here I am making my stand. I'm just figuring this out as I go. I just put the zip ties at the top and then put some on the side to attach the stand to my ring. So this is my Diva ring light. This is I'm gonna turn the Diva ring light off, and the next light will be natural light. This is natural light. Natural. Do you see yourself, gorgeous? And this is my Diva ring light. So I only have one. I'm thinking about making another one. so I can have it in front of me. Yes, I'm liking this light. Look at this light. Look at this light. Oh, okay, let me tell y'all a story. I went and got a light, and the 16-inch daylight rope light, and I was making it last night, and it took me 30 minutes to make the light around the reef, everything. And as soon as I got done, like I had put the zip ties on, I put the aluminum foil on the reef, and I got done and plugged the thing in to see what the light looked like in the circle. Only half the light was working. Only half the light was working. I was like, oh my God, I just wasted 30 minutes. But it was a learning lesson. So now I know to plug lights in before I do anything. So I got my light from Walmart. I went back to Walmart and exchanged it. But they only had one daylight rope light left. Stop. They only had one left, and it was open, but the tape was still around the light. So I asked the guy, I was like, can you just plug this in so I know that the light works? I stay right across the road from Walmart, and I just get tired of going to Walmart back and forth like that. I get tired of going to places, period. But Walmart is like right across the street, and I did not want to keep going back and forth to Walmart. So she plugged it in, and it worked. The light was only $12.88, I think. I had rope light, aluminum foil, which I already had at home, some scissors, the reef wire, and a paper towel stand for my stand, and I had some zip ties. Okay, here's another story. My zip ties. The first time I had bought, it was 20 long zip ties and things. I was like, okay, I don't need that many zip ties, so I'm just gonna get this 20. But here you go. But I was like, I should get the 100 count, but I only need 20. Like, what I need 100 zip ties for? Right? And I was like, I should have went with my first one. Got home, lights didn't work after I got done making the Diva ring light. Had to cut all the zip ties that I had because I used all 20. Never learned this. Go to first time. But I did it again. I went back to Walmart. We got this the rope light, the new one, and I got the short Stop dropping it. I got the short zip ties, and it had 100 in the pack. I was like, I don't think this is gonna work, but I'm gonna try it anyway because I don't want these like long strands sticking out after I tie the zip ties to the light. Should have went with my first one again. Once I got to the fourth circle, those short zip ties weren't long enough, so I had to go back to Walmart. And I was like, okay, I give up. I'm just gonna get the 100. Like, they don't even cost that much. They don't. Like, the first time, the 20 count, it was $1.74, less than $2, right? The second time, the short ones, 100 count was less than $2. And then I just like gave up, went on ahead and got the long ones, the 100 count, and they were $1.84. All of that is before taxes, less than $2. But I'm like, I didn't need that long. I didn't need them that long. Then I got the short ones that were too short. But I just went ahead and gave up. Got the long ones. So that's all you need. It doesn't cost that much. It took me a long time because trial and error. Like, it was just a whole lot of things going on. But I hope you like my DIY on how I did my Diva ring. And my Diva stand, that was trial and error too. I think that's it. I had to buy some more scissors, but all of this cost between $25 and $30 only because I didn't go with my first mind. I lost my first pair of scissors, so I had to buy some more scissors, and bought some zip ties 3 times. So because of everything that I had going on. But yeah, thank you for tuning in on how I did my DIY Diva ring light. And I'm going to make another one. I might make a video on that. But if I do, make sure that you have that, hit that bell to get notifications for my videos so you will know if I make another one or not. And I hope you enjoy. Carpe diem.